Welcome. Have you ever wondered how someone pairs a wine that complements their food perfectly? Let's delve into the fruity and exotic world of a sommelier and grasp how one can satisfy their craving for a delectable dish and beverage. You can hold a conversation with the patron by referring to and reading from the displayed image. Or, you can click on the displayed image to move ahead and the system will register this as your response. This simulation aims to provide exposure to the culinary field for assisting a patron in wine choice and understanding the role of a sommelier.
A very nice evening to you as well. I'm looking for a wine that will complement my meal tonight. I'm having filet mignon. What would you recommend? Yes, please. I'd love to know more about the Cabernet Sauvignon. That sounds wonderful. I'll go with your recommendation, the Cabernet Sauvignon. Thank you for the information. I prefer a wine in the mid-price range, and I enjoy wines with a smooth and fruity taste.
Move towards the cart and push it in the direction of the patron table.
Thank you. May I have a taste of each before making my final choice?
Grab and pour sample of California Cabernet Sauvignon into the highlighted glass. Take the glass and place it on the table for the patron to taste. Keep in mind that encouraging customers to sample various flavors leads to decision making, and these decisions ultimately culminate in satisfying their preferences. Grab and pour sample of Napa Valley Reserve into the highlighted glass. Take the glass and place it on the table for the patron to taste. Grab and pour sample of Argentinian Selection into the highlighted glass. Take the glass and place it on the table for the patron to taste.
They are all excellent, but I particularly enjoyed the Napa Valley Reserve. It has a wonderful balance of fruitiness and smoothness. I'll go with the Napa Valley Reserve Cabernet Sauvignon.
Take the empty glasses and place them on the cart. Always ensure that the table is cleared before bringing out the wine bottle. Move towards the rack to bring the chosen wine. Grab the highlighted bottle and snap it on the patron's table.
Thank you for your expert guidance. I appreciate your help.
This simulation aimed to provide preliminary exposure for being a sommelier and helping a patron with their wine selection. Hope you enjoyed the simulation. This concludes our sommelier's assistance experience. Feel free to go try it again or jump back to the home page to choose a different experience.